Have you ever sat down and tried to create something and your body starts shutting down and you get all these voices inside your head that says, why bother? In this video, I'm going to talk about the very first step inside the Spark method and what actually happens and give you some actionable steps that you can move from feeling maybe lack or dysregulated to creating today in a safe container. So the very first part is we notice the moment that we stop. So here is you, right? Here's the version of you. And it is thinking, I'm not good enough, you know? So there's lack. And then maybe I'll do it later. So now there's time. And somebody's already done this better than me. So maybe that's comparison. Whoop. And as we're going through this, why try? So this is like confidence, right? Or evidence. Let's call it evidence because we have confidence. And most people think that they're blocked. And what is actually happening is they're stopping themselves inside their head before they even start. So we're like blocking this all off. But you know what? It's not actually a block. It's actually a protection. So we're trying to like keep ourselves safe, right? And this little bubble here is like safety. We're like, this is super important. I got to keep myself protected and safe from the craziness that is outside of us. What we're trying to do is create a new version of ourselves here. So this is the new version of ourselves. And we want calm, right? Calmness. We want to be grounded. And we want to have, most of all, awareness. And you're probably like, okay, sometimes I feel this way. And how can I do it with no judgment? This is the big one. And because awareness is creating a safe space, it's almost like creating an energetic boundary. So I keep drawing this little bubble around us. That's going to help us build the creative space where safety begins. So the first thing you can do is take a breath. Okay, a nice long inhale, nice long exhale, inhale, exhale, and we want to ground ourselves. I usually like to tell people to take off your socks and loosen up, shake off, loosens up the body. Okay, sorry for my poor writing here. And this is starting to change your environment. Okay, and what we're trying to do is change our internal environment, right? Our internal environment. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay, that's all right. I'm human. And so creativity doesn't come from having lots of pressure coming at you, right? Creativity comes from feeling safe. When we feel safe, this is us again, we have this beautiful energetic boundary around us. And we can start stepping into our creative self. So from here, we're not going to jump to the big goal. Think of it as like a bit of a ladder. And so the very first thing that we're going to do, we're talking about safety, is we're going to, bring awareness, right? And then this makes us feel safe, where we can eventually meet ourselves to play. And when we play, we can activate our mind, right? Where we can reflect, and then we can kindle for some sustainability. And this is the Spark method in the most simplest form. Now, we're trying to become a more expansive person. So instead of thinking about all the pressures, we want to think about, I'm okay with the outcome. I'm good either way. I'm happy because I'm doing it. I'm choosing joy in this moment. I am present here in the now. And that when we say those things inside our body, we actually feel better. So your creative self isn't gone. It's just waiting for you to return. And if this has helped you in any way, remember that you have a choice. You can either let your thoughts dictate your actions, and we can keep repeating them. Or we can bring awareness. We just address our thoughts with kindness, like we do with our children or our best friends. And you can come and practice with us, and people will support you. You support yourself as well, support you, and you get to be this happy entity within the safety of your body. And sometimes it's all about the energy that we put out, because the energy of what we put out is what we're going to get. If you think that you can't be an artist, you're not going to be an artist, because it's going to stop you from trying, and that's going to block you. Or you can create the energy that says, yeah, I am ready to create, and put safety in your body so you can make more art. Enjoy.